Yo, Ebushama about too much age. There's a beef for a course between Yeni Abema, Ejekun Francis, and one TikTok lady or the MJ Rock My World. Now, I don't know, say, if you have seen this now. And no, anyway, and I'm information say, let the be our day MJ Rock My World. I make it live now. Live no by as a matter of fact, or the two bomb the ma Ejekun Francis say, as a matter of fact, in church and Ghana focus was say, or Mutina, because in church na Ejekun Muchacha no, or your practical person. Like, to me, she a patient and react with them and church or my dear. And she say, Yarena patient in the buy and which my shama in the panawatono. And someone will say, the solution or the patient and air correct now. It's in Ghana for TT at the good friends are on me.
The pressure it draws for withdraw, not sign your wake on. Ejekun Francis, do you know that most people on blood pressure medication are on diuretic? Do you know what diuretic does? Diuretic waste fluid from your body. And who catch obia, ebia, who categorizing no? One categorizing, who generalizing no? Who say who pressure, who emboja broswa. For withdraw, one can say who anti-diuretic. So, see, that is the problem because you don't practice, so you don't know. You do not practice, so you don't know. So, a pressure drone, you can go and read about the pathophysiology, but to diagnose and treat, you have to be really. It's crazy. You guys should talk because Mecca somewhere and you say.
When you video, you near bandit can be here, no by no. Ejekun Francis ever respond here nicely. Actually say no. Say bibina or no waka and I want to see or when a personal contact and obey me crampono and mailino. I'm a wutinya correcting from that base because they know themselves on social media platform or because of Yamame NDA, Unimse any genius star and they have that friendship on that basis. Now they could make the first response near him say ABCwa and I'm no say lady no asking to another bomb. Now this bomb first one or say Ejekun Francis a yesika na ope na Ghana vanjo mu ya Ejekun ebe kuye nyina e was yente send any by the community fire.
Your boy Ejekun is looking for money than your health. I'm telling you point blank.
When Ejekun Francis said share where the be kum kra ka mejimi and once up sabano na here dey so my yenti
sister first one me ba na grum nti asa one tekasa sa sika na wakwakoje no fa sika no kɔ fa usika na wakwaje no fa kɔ na nyesa fa usika na waji obi ho se wo be se ye bo no e wrong money na wakwaje no upo obi aka se opisika ogana fo ho a wo de ye bo na be example obi amatena kruma e biomedical scientist a me be ye baba amiyitri ayitri akere Ghana for over 500 for ade WhatsApp group me de madade akere o made amanji obi a wansi ene nyam kupon ho na yemiye enti ye video Ghana for ti ase a almost so me so member life da with me dini ni pebo me dini na me ba life and crofo eager to give me money what want about life me TikTok na me use ni a Ghanaian TikTok who use foreign TikTok who you bet into TikTok na onye sika also or life a you get money for the points. One will tell me about life. O page ya o ti na de try health we no. Sebi na unim se Ghana for agreement na o try kotie na etwe for sika for views. Enne nyame de obi aba wa sanitize system no nti wani bre no. Wani brade ukuna ya ade papa. Wani brade ukuna ya ade. First one na I thought say bia na wano na apem but enne o ma hu se wani ebre ye boa. The ye boa ye no attention na ye was no aba form. Kotie ne etwen Ghana for ani ate nti o man attention biem obi ehwe na didie ye nipa wa ma osika moni magu ase moni mo contractors moni na moni magu ase ukuna ya de pa so ogusu no wote na Ghana for beti maku ahye wani me ka kire wonne I'm serious Ghana for beti maku ahye wo wani me niema me ton a eni sina minya kakra no besi nne eno na megusu ton hwehwe mero kumase ne nkran me video bia me ka se me niema me ton eno na megusu ton nne mini heba hospital ade bia ni wa machiro obi am so onfa sika mbre me na me nyema no wo Ghana fo ne eni ate nipa nim omo ka asema yeti odi obedwen se omo nim de oka omo so so page ni so kwampo omo fanfoli me na me ka kiro omunim said the okafa boy no hono enye no kre na obi anyame ama no so no nyame ne nsa so sen wo obi anyame ama no so no o try a befo
from where I sit, I think this beef is not interesting. Yeah, I don't see the reason why I was nearby MJ Rock My World. Every video, Ediama Ajikun Francis directly no akase sikana ope. Intino onye concern about the health of the people. Obianso nim said that's not the basis. He never ma we Eddie Juma on TikTok from the beginning. Kobe benan akasa etia he never ma Ajikun Francis. Mo say or saying Kofo Juma because on no kwa we dia odi. E ma ne ma me audio crab beton bontin so all part of say Ajikun China or no. Well, mo say a country called Ghana win kaya no. Ghana is strange. Ghana is so strange. Say just last time I Ghana for England ebobo. Yeah, bobo navy. As a matter of fact, our interest near say Ghana for beating ashe goal. Na yako ye ni manase yetumi afeda in the FIFA World Cup game. Now, in England ebowi no information e trend on social media near say abobo for say Ghana ni konfobi. Akantie tia Hurricane. Na ma Hurricane into me ndi agro na also would di all park in so. Hurricane na kasa so ebe kasa say he didn't know what came over him. He could not perform as he usually do. Now, Abrofo Francine Koko Bonsam interview online. So interesting because I was very happy. Say, apart from say Ghana for Yedi Kunim in the FIFA World Cup, no, there's another side. So our spiritual life in Ghana, so no, trendy. So I was on it listening to Brofa Kesia Brofo ni bisa Koko Bonsam until Brofona say, "I made him a serious." But we see Oko comments as one man. Before them be a good as one man. As a matter of fact, and someone go on trouble for no. Who say a country called Ghana? We are so unbelievable. To the sense that Obi nti as say Koko Bonsam trendy all because of say on your software. And I say, as a matter of fact, make count nine say Sankenye Koko Bonsam put a trendy. And I can call you Archbishop Nicholas Duncan William. There will be another pastor who fit different church because Duncan William is fake. Interview I go put some number for you. No be able to say African spiritualists they are scammers. Scammers like how? Are we talking about scammers? We are not discussing them. We are just talking about Kubonsam Jumedi Awedi. Ne abrofona jetum say ni abrante ne ye na de ye papa Koko Bonsam ye no omehu say it has been effective on their player and they were trying to talk to him but somebody just walked in and were just writing nonsense. They were just writing something that was not contributing to Koko Bonsam. So money credit I didn't go away now Ajikun Francis mmami tie no me kasa bi tie no. As a matter of fact, there's a lot I'm missing finish and there's a lot in so me who say a contradicting because from the onset obi we catch and say ye ni kusia we ye bema undi kusia we di kusia once in a month. Was it once in a month na was odi kusia na collect no wo no enye obi so be kan say nkusa de ankaye obetime de 3 4 5 cry a day cry na eye so now who say obia won adwene a o kire nti say obi ye video na obebo Ajikun Francis din na wa send it I think say no it's below the belt no ye to chairman ye mpene ye to chairman if you have anything good put it on the table. I didn't think I want hospital to be because there are a lot of hospitals in Ghana. Patients call normal, they give them their own medication. But everything being equal, I think say this beat between Yeniaba, MJ Rock My World, any Yeniaba penny Ajikun Francis, I think say unhealthy. MJ Rock My World, if you have any good, do it on your platform. Don't mention anybody's name to destroy their reputation and their image. Send Obensu Mbodi and send me a walker. I hate too much. Message them or comment there will be an drop my comment section. Then new house of GNC left with them so subscribe to our platform so press on the bell send me upload be out to that unsa a bit maker.